Errol, I told you not to park there.
Another one.
They're towing you away.
He never stops, you know.
This is Errol's tricycle gear tail wheel. Hybrid.
Yeah. Not that three training wheels in the front.
I think there's a problem, James. We ordered a tricycle gear and...
Round upside down, inside out.
Oh, okay, all right. Yeah, sure. Rightio. And you got a used car you want to sell me too, right? So what? This we don't have to do this because this has all been done in the factory?
All part of the quick build wing kit.
Yeah. What does that save us? About 6 months at least?
Yeah, it saves a lot of time. The wing's not too bad, it's fairly quick, but it's all the same construction in the flat scenario one. That's the fuel tanks, that's a big job, messy job.
But that's been done too?
That's all been done.
So we just pressure test, I think Errol said?
Yeah. I think they even do that. Or we can double check.
All right.
Know what we need this scenario one.
So it comes together pretty quick, eh? Once you get all these bits ready to go?
Yeah, it's all preparation.
Yeah.
So I just want to see which holes we need to dimple for the countersunk rivets.
So dimple between the lines.
Yeah.
And what does dimpling do for us, James?
So that pushes the skin in to accept the countersunk rivet. When the flat comes up underneath the wing, it needs to clear that. So you can't have any rivet heads poking up.
So it's not an aerodynamic feature, it's a clearance feature?
It's clearance on part of it, it's aerodynamic on all the leading edges, even on the wings, so the leading edges of them.
They're all dimpled? Okay.
So it gives you more speed.
So what are you doing here, James?
So I've got a soldering iron just melting the plastic around the rivet holes so we can peel off those strips of plastic and leave most of it. The idea is later on when we fill the head of the rivet and we sand it, we're not scratching up the skin.
Cool.
We'll take it off right before it's painted.
Alright.
All these little tricks to save time later.
Yeah. Nice, buddy. We got our mascots here. Are you guys helping with the build? Yeah, you guys are builders too? Or are you guys just runway marker lights? This is Ariel, and that's Ruby. Yes, you know your name, don't you? I'm sorry, I thought somebody was calling for food. Hope I don't make you nervous.
Oh, yeah, don't judge me.
Look at that steady
You can
hand.
see the heartbeat, can't you?
That's good. It's a good sign, having a heartbeat.
I try and do it reasonably close to the rivet so we don't scratch anything.
Very nice. What's your hit?
Straight up.
Look at this guy. Teamwork.
Straight when it works.
Yeah.
Except when it gets to the bit, which isn't so great.
Ah, too quick. Look at this guy.
Back.
especially in mid-flight. Oh, he's done this before. Look at that. Boy, spoke too soon.
So it worked really well, so the camera came out.
Yeah. Are we waiting for the dimpler?
Waiting for the dimple on the paintbrushes.
And the paintbrushes.
We'll keep preparing stuff in the meantime and when it won't hold us up.
So here we are, a couple hours into your Sling high wing build. How are you guys feeling?
Very excited.
Hungry.
Yeah.
Time for lunch.
Yeah. It's starting to come together already.
Different than my previous job. I've been working 4 hours and I've got 30 hands.
No oil involved thus far, huh? Oil and grease. Uh-oh. He's got some weapons with him.
Just getting ready for the next thing.
It's good. Thinking ahead.
If you switch some panels, that's okay.
Yeah. Oops.
Also, look at the one to the right.
Oh, yeah. Hang on, this one's got the wrong name on it.
So does the other one.
You got it, Bruce?
You right? It's on your foot out. Just like that out.
Good thing you got steel cap boots. So are we pinching from Errol's kit? Is that what we're
Yeah,
going
that's
on? Yeah, let's see what Santa Claus has brought us. Seat rails.
Top windscreen, the cowlings with spats underneath. Around these holes as well. Oh, yeah. On the back side. Yeah.
What about these ones, James? Around those?
They're not needed.
No.
Just the
Just the little ones.
because they're for rivet holes.
Yep. Okay.
The world famous black stuff. Yes, it's very black.
I like my way with the menu.
All right, here it is, boys and girls. The first rivet getting popped on the Sling high wing Bravo Tango Hotel.
Already?
Bravo Tango Hotel.
What colour?
White.
I like it.
There we go. And the second.
Pretty good.
Yes.
That assembly goes in there. And there's another rib. That bolt goes through.
Yes. Yes, I heard about these.
Yep, so there's clickers. That's what holds all the stuff together before you rivet it.
Cade's favorite.
Yeah. I remember when he was here.
Put a little graphic up in memory of Cade and his favorite activity, clee cooling.
I think he was building the ailerons and we're preparing for a flood.
What kind of rivets are these?
These are, that's the most common rivet used on the skin. 8mm long, 3.2 or 18 inch diameter. Used everywhere.
You need a bracket, don't
Different
we?
sizes, they're the bigger sizes. They're stainless steel. The inboard end of the spine, stainless steel rivets are stronger.
Okay.
You can do that. It's mine, the paint's a bit wet.
What am I doing? Just holding it?
You can hold it if you want to film an old rivet.
black stuff. So what does the acetone do?
Just to clean off any of the dust and rubbish from the scouring. And it makes the black stuff stick pretty well.
Only one side?
Yeah. So it's just both sides, both surfaces where it's joined together.
Yeah.
Just where the rivet holes there, you don't need to do that one.
Okay.
So it's not about what you're creating, it's about the person you're becoming while you're creating. That's an overused quote in our workshop.
Tell me that bit again about the black stuff and how it separates between metals. And
So the reason is to not have the metals touching each other. If you get oxygen and contaminants in between, they'll start corroding. Keep it apart. And worse still, if you have that's an aluminium rivet, so it's the same material. If you have a stainless rivet, it causes a lot more problems with corrosion. Electrical charge in between the two metals.
cool.
This stuff's the rust, isn't it? Where are the girls going? Erosion. Aluminium.
115. Here's our rudder.